Hi everybody, it's been a few crazy days and with us staying at home, we need to keep healthy by making some good and healthy foods. I prepared the salad guide for you that lasts up to 2 weeks, so we don't need to be going out to get groceries as much. I also made sure to include lots of food containing vitamins for healthy immune function. First of all, let's wash our hands properly. So let's start with getting all salad prep done. The idea is to have everything ready to grab from the fridge and easily prepare the salads. Also to have as much we can stocked. So I always wash my lettuces and put into water with some vinegar. After that, I dry them all and put into bags. It's really important to dry very well, for it to last longer and doesn't get soggy. So here is how I organize all ingredients to keep the mise en place for the salads ready into the fridge. Portions are based on a 7-day salad for 2 people. Vegetables, we're going to bake the sweet potatoes and beets together. Cut the sweet potato in big chunks. Season with olive oil, fresh rosemary, garlic powder, salt and black pepper. Cut the beets also into chunks. Season with olive oil, black pepper, salt. Place into a tray, cover with foil. We're going to bake the sweet potatoes for 15 minutes. Open the foil and take the shallots out. Bake it more for 10 minutes or until tender. For the nuts, let's get all seasoned with the same spices and the honey. In the same bowl, put the honey and coat all nuts. Add spices. Mix well until all coated and arrange on the same tray. For the croutons, slice the bread into cubes. Place it to a bowl and season it to taste with some olive oil, black pepper and salt. All those dressings have vitamin C from the fruits, antioxidants from the honey, and boost immune function for all ingredients. You're just going to put all inside the squeeze bottle and shake it until well emulsified. You can also make a dressing into a bowl if you don't have a squeeze bottle. Add all ingredients into a bowl and whisk until emulsified. For the cilantro dressing, we're gonna use the same method. We just need to chop some cilantro. For this one, we're gonna make in the hand blender. Add all ingredients into the hand blender cup and blend it until very green and smooth texture. Here are all my proteins. I added the seasoning and put into bags to keep it ready to cook. You can also cook all in the same day you seasoning and refrigerate. I like to keep at least a week in the fridge, and if I'm not using, I freeze them. Now I'm gonna season our beef, okay? Some fresh thyme, olive oil, pepper. For fish in general, I don't really like to store after cooked. I always make it fresh. Heat your oven to 350. Place the tilapia on a tray with foil and the foil covering the tilapia. Bake for 8 minutes. Add lemon juice and zest. Bake for more 4 minutes until lightly golden and the meat is white opaque. Heat the oven 375. Get your pan very hot on high heat with olive oil. Add the steak when it's very hot. And seal until that nice caramelization come out, those brown spots. Place on a tray with foil and bring to the oven about 5 minutes and check. Always rest your meat for 5 minutes before cutting it. I like to add the salt on my steak after cooked. I love more than salt, it gives the best flavor ever. Get your pan on medium heat. When it's very hot, add all turkey mix and cook until nice and golden. The meat should be very juicy and no pinky flesh inside. 7 to 10 minutes, it depends on your cuts. Heat your pan on medium heat, and when it's very hot, add the mushrooms mix and cook until tender. Put water, stock, salt and quinoa into a pot. Bring it to boil. Bring it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. It's ready when you insert a fork and it's fluffy and dry. So let's build our salads. You're just going to grab everything you need from the fridge and make it. Now, a vegetarian and vegan options. I hope you liked this video and that I could help you still have some fun over the tough days. Let's stay safe and keep an eye out of each other. Thank you so much for watching.